today we have this beautiful 2020 Audi R8 that we're going to be installing a exhaust and doing a service, oil change, track alignment, and some other goodies. Let's check it out. So we got the car ready on the rack. We got the car on service position, everything ready and accessible. Let's start it up and hear how the original exhaust sound for one last time. Let's do it. So, very important advice. Every time we start working on these cars, make sure you get the battery stabilizer connected. This car has a lithium battery, known for going bad. Just do the discharge. So very important. Get your charge connected. Lithium battery selected. Stable charge, and turn it on before you start any repair procedure on this car. Make sure you have the battery stabilized. We're partially done with the exhaust, just the fine adjustments, put the bumper back together. Right now we started draining the oil. As most of you know, those V10s engines, they have around 7 drain plugs. By the service manual, we're only doing 5 main drain plugs. And there we go. We're gonna drain the main one right here. Now oil coming out. There's people that say there is 7 drain plugs, people that say there's 6 and 5. We always base our services into the service manual. So right here we have the 2020 Audi R8 service manual, and we like to follow step by step. Every single plug has his torque specs. Very important to follow the torque specs. And there we go. So total are 5 drain plugs and the oil filter. So have a good torque wrench and make sure you get everything torqued to spec. And more important, always replace the rings. We have the whole assortment here, so always make sure you get those rings, metal rings, replaced. Always. All right, back on. Install the drain plug. Always hand tight. Make sure you're not cross-threading. Remember, most of these parts are aluminum. We gotta make sure we have them sitting well. And right now we got our 2 torque wrench set up into the spec. And here we go. Apply the torque. Can't go wrong. right, guys, we've already finished the oil change, and now the engine is already warmed up before accelerating. So now we're going to start it up and hear how the new exhaust sounds. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.